Oh, he's not even gassing it.
No! Is that not gassing it?
It's not gassing it.
Shut up! This is insane, bro. Look, I mean... Right here, man. What is that Sparky for?
Ryan already saw it.
I haven't seen it yet.
You haven't been over, that's why.
Dang, this is brand new?
Yeah, brand new.
What year?
23, 24 maybe.
Dang, how many miles?
Probably has like 600 miles
Hey,
now.
I never driven a Tesla, man. Can we go in?
Yeah, just press it and open.
What? And then what?
What?
Let's go for a ride.
We're gonna bring Sparkling to the house.
Dang.
She might throw up in the car.
That's true. You ain't lying. You gotta get in the back seat, Ryan?
Yeah, I'll get her back.
Hey, hold up. Man, let's look around this real quick. Hold on. Let's look out here. Let's check it out. Jeez. Dang. This is an S model?
Yeah.
What's the lowest model?
3.
And then S is the high model?
Yeah.
Hey, so the S is the highest model for the sedan?
Yeah.
Why is it high? What's the difference?
It has all the cool features in the car. And it's fast.
Hey, you see the coupe?
Yeah, it's not out yet though.
Boy, that coupe looks good, huh? Let's go, Ryan. Let's go for a ride. What? Why are you laughing at me, bro? Why are you laughing like that? All right. So the engine's already on?
Yeah, press the brakes.
Okay, so wait, you press the brake is on?
Yeah, seatbelt
Yeah,
first.
how you turn off the music? Oh, they got the bezel? Yeah. Okay. That's the... Hey, next year, bro, my goal, the Porsche Panamera.
What you doing?
I'm trying to move your water bottle out of the way. This is a weird-ass water bottle.
And Life Force water. Hey, my parents got
All
scammed
right,
for this.
so what?
Hydrogen infused
Wait,
water.
how do you... Wait,
water
man.
has H2O already.
Hey. Hey. Calm down. Anyways, I never driven a Tesla, so...
Oh, so you press the brakes, you pull this down for reverse.
Wait, everything's touchscreen?
Yeah.
Shut up. So go back?
Yeah, pull it back.
Oh, hell. What if you're not used to that, bro?
Well, you gotta get used to it.
So how do I go back?
Huh?
It just stopped. Like, it doesn't go...
No, you have to press the gas. And I never really pressed the brakes in this car.
Okay. Would it tell me I'm going backward or not? Okay, they got all the cameras here and everything?
Yeah.
Okay, now if I want to go
forward.
Shut up.
Yeah. Well, I mean, if that fails, then there's this right here, too.
What? What's that?
So if it fails, you just...
Oh, I didn't see that.
If it fails...
Oh, wait. So wait, it has all the cars. Yeah. You got this, Ryan? It got all the cars. What year is this?
23.
They got all the cars, man. All the cars around you. Look at this. It's already predict. Alright, man, this seat is low.
Yeah, you can just change it.
Hold on, let me squeeze it up real quick. Okay, so, man, look at the roof, man. This is all glass?
Yeah.
Is it hard glass or no?
Yeah, it's hard.
What if you get into an accident and your car flips? All this glass gonna hit you in your head.
Probably.
So what's going on? Nobody's seatbelt or what? What's going on?
Kaylee's calling me.
Oh, my bad.
Hello?
Dang.
Yeah. Okay.
Oh, it brakes by itself?
Yeah, it brakes by itself. Yeah, everyone's still here. I think I'm gonna go out for a ride in Tesla.
Dang.
Okay.
Where's the mileage at?
No, 99. No, Ashland.
This is weird. Like, it stopped by itself.
Yeah, it brakes by itself. I never really press the brakes unless emergency.
Really?
Okay. I'll see you. Okay.
And your car only has 57 battery left?
57%, yeah.
That's it?
Yeah. It's a lot.
Alright, let's test it out, baby. You ready, Ryan? You got... Recorded. Come on, shut up. This is pretty fast, bro.
Oh, you think this is fast? On chill mode.
Shut up!
Do you want to see fast?
Wait. What's the chill mode?
I'll show you fast.
So this is insane?
Don't gas right here. You might go in the thing. Go straight.
I'm not gonna gas it here, bro.
Yeah, because a lot of people, if they don't know what a Tesla is, they
is it
can't
really
control
that fast?
It's that fast.
Okay, let me try it right here.
Go.
Oh, shoot! It jugs! Oh, hell no.
Oh, that's nothing. He's not gassing it yet. He's not even gassing it yet.
That's 60 miles. Hold up. This is crazy. crazy. I have never, dude.
Yeah, it's hella fast.
It is.
Probably kill any car in the street. Not gonna lie.
Oh my god, here we go.
Okay, go.
Yo.
Oh, he's not even gassing it.
No.
Yet.
Is that not gassing
He's
it?
not gassing it.
Shut up.
Pull over. I'll show you guys.
No. How? What is gassing it? You want me to step harder?
Like step hard. Yeah,
All right,
step
I
hard.
gotta make a U-turn, bro. I'm not about to. Dude, I feel like I'm on a roller coaster like G-Force, bro.
No, that's nothing. Yeah.
For real?
Yeah, that's nothing.
You feel it sometimes? When
Yeah.
you press on it?
0 to 60 in 2 seconds, this car.
Yeah, I'm about to. In 2 seconds.
Yeah.
Hey, do people actually race with this car?
Yeah, a lot of people race it. It's
Hey,
fast.
this fucking brake is like...
It's crazy. Huh? Watch out for the cat. Don't
I'm
kill it.
about to kill that motherfucking cat.
You just gas it.
Oh my god! It is so crazy! Whoa! Dude!
I don't think he's gassed it yet. I don't think he's gassing it yet.
I did!
No, you're not gassing it.
That was 70 miles!
No, that's not gassing it because every time I gas it or you gas it, it's hella fast.
No!
Yeah.
Alright, one more time. You guys made me look bad, bro.
No, because I think you're half pedaling it.
I am.
No,
so you actually bring...
No, the G-force is a lot harder. Like,
No, you
gas it.
actually bring it all the way straight in.
Yeah.
You're making me nervous, bro. Are you serious?
Yeah.
Alright. We gotta go on a straight line right here. This is a straight line right here. Fuck, dude. I cannot believe how fast it is. Dang, Aaron. It's like faster than a regular car, dude.
Yeah, it's hella fast.
Boy, do not tell me you're gonna set it higher.
Let me see. What's the
Oh my god.
Let me see if I can launch the car.
Do not launch the car.
Wait, let me. No, it's gonna calculate how long it's gonna take to launch the car.
Okay, you ready?
But it's calculating though.
Alright. I need to go on a straight line because there's no way I'm doing. That was too. Wait, can you still turn with that G-force?
Yeah, you could. But I don't. If you don't know how to use the car, you
That's
shouldn't
what
do
I'm
it.
saying. Oh, I mean, this is a curve, right? Oh, I can't do it. I can't do it. I can't do it.
Well, 2 minutes remaining before you can launch.
Oh, I can't do it, guys. Oh, it only give you a certain minute you can
No,
launch?
no, no. Like it has to prep the battery and everything. Make sure everything's good.
No, this is good. Fuck, dude. Dang. That was How do you feel, Ryan, the first time when you tried it?
Oh, Ryan can drive. I haven't driven yet. You can drive
I
it.
haven't driven it yet, but...
Yeah, you can drive though.
Oh, you haven't driven it?
No, I'm good, no.
Dude, do you feel the force now?
Yeah, I feel it now.
That was crazy. He said I didn't even smash it yet.
No, the first couple times it wasn't that much.
How about the third one?
The third one I felt a little more.
God, you guys made me feel like I'm an old fart, bro. Oh, you think a Porsche is faster than that, or no?
No.
It can't pick up like that, huh?
No, but this car has raced like twin turbo cars.
Oh man, this is insane. Oh, dude.
Who's that?
I don't know. That's probably some Mexican family. But I just know that is insane, bro. This car literally.
I have autopilot too.
For real?
I have autopilot, yeah. Like full self-driving.
So how do you park? Tap?
Express type, yeah.
Wait, what was that?
That's it. It just opened the doors. For
Hey, wait. This thing auto drive?
Yeah.
So you can be on the freeway.
No, I can be like on the road.
Anywhere.
Yeah, watch. Pull it out.
Stop playing with me,
Pull it
guys.
Let's go to Safe Mart on no.
Stop playing! No, right
So
now!
press your brake.
As I'm sitting here.
Start the car. And then go back. No, start the car, and you have to go back. You have to back out first.
I did.
No, you have to reverse.
Okay.
so just go.
Okay. So it doesn't reverse.
It does. No, it will reverse, but you have to get the car moving first. So it's,
Oh, okay. This is too crazy, bro. All right, Ryan, this is insane. My reaction is too crazy because it's true. Wow. Oh my God.
just get to the road first.
I have never.
Yeah, get to the road first. Come around and get to the road first.
Oh my God, this is crazy. We are gonna auto drive right now, guys. Whew, this is too much, bro.
That's pretty cool, huh?
It is. It's crazy. Oh my God. Look, I'm excited because I have never felt that G-force sitting in a car, bro. I felt like I was on like a roller coaster or something. But now we're gonna auto drive. You drink anything yet?
No. Oh yeah, I have a little bit, but nothing crazy.
Oh my god, let's try this out. Okay, auto drive right here, guys.
So, just like this.
Alright, wait,
Oh,
what?
keep going, keep
What do you?
just turn.
Okay, what do you just press? We need
Hold
to
on.
know
It
that.
says not available right now.
Oh,
Give us a
not
second.
available. Alright,
So-
hold on.
Let's get on the road right here first.
Okay.
I think we're still. All things.
Okay.
No, just go. You have to go.
Just go. Let's
Let's
go
get-
this way. Let's go this way.
You have to get it moving first.
Alright. Let's get it moving.
Okay, let go. Oh, it's only set it a little higher.
Oh, you can set the mile?
Yeah.
Shut up. No, do not. Do not go too fast.
No. You gotta set it because it read the speed limit for the neighborhood.
Oh my
but
god, it's so crazy!
I don't want to hit the cat.
Oh my god, dude! That's crazy!
You're looking away. It has a camera.
Wait, so I have to look straight?
It looks straight and then it like.
So wait, if I look away, what would happen?
It'll tell you to touch the steering wheel.
Oh my god. This is... Oh my god, dude. Man, hold up. This is too much. Come on. You gotta camcorder me. You gotta... Oh my god. This is insane, bro. Look, I mean, this is crazy. We gonna Mart with this Tesla, bro. Look, bro. This is... Oh my god, we gotta go to a stop sign right now. Is it gonna stop? Bro, is it gonna stop?
Yeah, it'll stop. Of course it stops.
Oh, come on, stop. How does it know?
It knows. It reads everything.
This is crazy. Would it recognize if there's a car coming?
Yeah.
Oh my god. You got the dashboard and everything? That I'm not touching this?
Yeah.
This is crazy, dude. Oh my god, there's a car coming. Is it gonna... This is crazy. I never sit in a car that is driving by itself, bro. Dang.
That's crazy, huh?
Yeah. Go. Oh, it's gonna take you Mart for
Yeah.
real?
Let's just cancel it.
Let's just cancel it.
And just make it
Woo!
left home. Yeah.
You didn't set it at grandma's house?
No.
So you have to set it.
5960.
Set it. No, 5960.
Oh, what is it? 89.
5815 West Bluff.
There we go.
All right.
Let me just
Alright.
flip this.
All right. Are we going to grandma's house? Let's see if it's gonna. Is it gonna park too?
No, it would just take us right to the front of the house.
And it's gonna recognize there's a kid walking by and everything.
Yeah, it'll stop. Make sure you just touch the wheel every now and then because it wants you to touch. It's still baited.
Right now?
No, it'll tell you if it wants you to touch it.
Oh, dude, this is insane. Bro, this is like driving like a boss, bro. This is crazy. Man, how much is this?
72?
72? How much you down?
25?
Oh, that's not bad. So you only, how much your monthly payment?
1,000?
For real?
Yeah.
Wait, 1,000, like that's just for the loan payment?
Yeah.
Oh, that's also for the, that's also like for insurance?
Oh, if you touch the thing, it's gonna turn off.
Okay.
Yeah, you touch it, it's gonna turn off.
Damn, 1,000 a month?
Yeah.
So how much is your loan?
Loans for another 50 grand.
How much was tax?
Tax or is that like 5,000?
How much is insurance?
Insurance? Well, we insured this under top nail
Hey,
supply.
this looks clean. No, this actually looks clean.
My mom's gonna write this car off.
Oh yeah?
Yeah, this car. Hey, look at the thing. It's gonna say top nail.
So it's gonna turn?
Yeah, it's gonna turn. It's gonna say top beauty supply on it.
Oh, it has a camera.
Yeah.
So wait, it automatically have a camera?
Yeah, they all have cameras. It's three.
No, as it's driving by itself, it
Yeah.
automatically have cameras.
No, it always has cameras when you drive.
Oh my god, this is ridiculous, yo. This is... Fuck, this is crazy. Wow.
But yeah, that's about it.
So why you keep going down?
No, because you're not touching the thing. It wants you to touch it so you know you're there.
Oh, this?
Yeah.
Oh. And if you don't touch it, it just cancels it?
Yeah, it's gonna cancel the autopilot and it'll stop itself in the street.
This is crazy. We are driving to
Oh,
grandma's
turn
house.
it off.
It's alright, we got this camera. We are driving to grandma's house. Autopilot,
we're here.
bro.
Yeah, we're here.
We are here.
Yeah, we're here.
Ain't that something? Wow.
Yeah, it would have stopped right next to your car.
I am so impressed right now. I'll be honest with you. Man, Aaron.
I'm gonna press park. Let's just get out of the car.
Wow.
Yeah, see, look. Top lead supply.
Oh, damn. Salty top beauty supply?
Yeah. It's no longer right at all.
Wait, how do you open this?
Press the button on top.
This?
Yeah.
Golly. Jesus. Y'all see that? That's crazy, huh, Ryan?
Yeah.
Dang. Insane. Insane, bro.